Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your INFINIX Note 60. First, what you guys want to do is go over and clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So we got the port at the bottom right here. Now we want to make sure that we clean it with a soft brush. We can try use an air compressor, but if that doesn't work, then soft brush is of course the best way to get everything out of there. Now what are we going to do is we're going to test the mic. So what I like to do is, as you guys can see, if you do not have the recorder app, even though you should have it because it's a system app, then go to the camera here and start a video. We're going to press here, click allow, and now let's see if it is working. So let me quickly stop talking for a second. And there's a static line which confirms that our microphone is working properly. Now let me quickly try and lower the media volume, so if it works it won't blow off our ears. Now let's see if it is. So it works just fine, but if it's not working for you, then I would strongly recommend restarting your phone so that you can resolve any minor issues by simply refreshing your system. We're gonna press and hold the power button only. Now ignore this and simply click on restart, tap again to restart the phone, and it is restarting now. So I'll see you guys in a second once it is done. After the restart, we're going to enter our password and as a last resort, update our software to fix any mic glitches. So open up the settings app, click on your INFINIX Note 60 right up top here, and we're going to click check for updates. So make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection. As you guys can see, I'm still waiting on mine because the phone just restarted. So we're going to press check for update again. And my system is up to date. But if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. This is very important to simply keep up with the latest version so there's no old glitches on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.